Time right now, 3:36. Good Saturday afternoon. Storm Team meteorologist Griffin Hardy just now receiving the baton from Chief Meteorologist Ashley Gann. I'm now taking over for her, and as of right now, still a ton of heavy rain out there coming in from the remnants of Tropical Storm Claudette. The center of circulation now passing through southeast Mississippi, technically known as the Pine Belt region, but there is a ton of heavy downpours out there all across central Alabama. You can certainly see a lot of that moisture coming in on the right-hand side of the circulation. Big bands of tropical rainfall falling near Dothan and Tallahassee and Albany, Georgia. Again, the right side of the storm is where all the moisture is coming in. On the back side of it, the west side, that's where all the drier air is getting pulled in. And this is going to help us out because it's really going to kind of put a damper on a lot of the heavy rain as we get into the early parts of this evening and especially overnight tonight, as most of that moisture pushes into northern Georgia and the Carolinas, with Claudette now tracking to the northeast. And thankfully now wind speeds not very impressive at this time, maxing out at around 30 miles per hour maybe for us later this evening. Flash flood watch technically in effect for central Alabama, includes most of northern Georgia as well, the Atlanta metro area under that flash flood watch. For us though, it expires here pretty soon at around 4 p.m. Farther down to the south is where the tornado watch is in effect. Want to show you this real quick. Past 12 hours, picked up around half an inch to an inch of rain in total. It may make it an additional inch or 2 inches, but not really enough to merit a flash flood threat, a large flash flood threat here in central Alabama. Again, tornado watch in effect for most of southeast Alabama, going from Auburn to Montgomery along I-85. That corridor stretching south down 231 towards Dothan. That's where that main area is going to be for potential spin-up tornadoes. Obviously, a common threat we often deal with landfalling tropical systems. Thankfully for us here in Birmingham, not really a big threat for us. That's main core of that is going to stay down to the south. So here's what they've look at the FUTURECAST over the next 12 to 24 hours. Still going to see bands of heavy rainfall through around 6 p.m. And then once that low pressure center finally is sitting right on top of us, really most of that rain will be pushing through East Alabama by around 10, 11 o'clock later tonight. And those of us in West Alabama will kind of be on the back side of this thing for most of the rest of the night tonight. And then into tomorrow morning, still probably a couple leftover showers, but nothing we're not already used to. We have already seen a ton of heavy rainfall out there. And then the core of that system moves over into Georgia by around lunchtime tomorrow. And we start seeing more sunshine as early as around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that's the latest with what's left of Claudette. I'll have another update for you coming up on our regularly scheduled newscast tonight at 6 on CBS 42. So be sure to tune in. Have a great night, everybody.